Today on Designing Spaces. A mini makeover designed to help you add organization, functionality, and style to your space, thanks to The Container Store. Whether it's preparing your home to sell, evaluating a new home, or settling into your new home, Frontdoor Experts can help in real time. And how Diamond Crystal Water Softener Salt for the soft water can help make your home shine. Time to design. Organizing your home, whether it's your pantry or your closet, is definitely rewarding. But getting there can be overwhelming, even for those who try to be organized. Meet Tina.
My name is Tina Tackett. I'm a creative director at an advertising agency and been in this home about 5 years. I really love it. It's in Capel, Texas. Little by little, I've been working on getting my home together. It takes a long time, but there are certain areas still that need a lot of work, specifically my kitchen pantry and my master closets. I'm lucky that I have 2 master closets. However, they're kind of a disaster, and I don't have a lot of great organization. It's hard for me to find some things sometimes, and that can be really frustrating, especially in the pantry. There's nothing like opening the pantry and you can't find what you need when you're in the middle of cooking something. I'm a pretty organized person. It's just that I think my system needs a little work. I've been trying to do it on my own, and it just really hasn't come together the way I think it should, and I think the way it can. And so I'm really excited to get some help with that.
Tina has set up a meeting with one of the Container Store's custom space design specialists to explore how they can help her transform her closets and pantry into truly functional spaces, full of modern style and features with their latest custom shelving and drawer system, Decor Plus by Elfa.
Tina?
Yes.
I'm Corey.
Hi, Corey.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Come on in.
Thank you. Thanks for having me in your home.
Absolutely.
Let's go talk about your spaces.
Okay.
I know you haven't done any spaces with us before, so let me tell you kind of what that entails, and then we'll talk about the spaces we're working on in general.
Okay.
So our design services are completely free, totally complimentary. We'll come in, take out all the pre-existing spaces, our installers will come and put everything in, and then we've got amazing product to help create a system on this brand new structure we're gonna give you that's customized just for you in your home.
That's very exciting.
So easy. You're just gonna blink and it's all gonna be done. Okay, so tell me, what spaces are we working on today?
My kitchen pantry.
Okay.
And then my master closets, but I have 2.
Closets?
Yes.
Are they
I
both
know.
for you?
Yes, I know.
Okay, I love that. Very nice. Let's start with the pantry.
Okay.
What is the most frustrating part of what you have currently going?
The most frustrating part is that I have things on the floor, and so it's hard to walk in there.
Got it. What is on the floor?
I have appliances, I have dog food, I have, trash bags, paper plates, you name it.
And is the current situation they don't fit elsewhere, or is it they're getting lost on shelving?
I think they don't really fit elsewhere.
Okay, so based on your concerns, I think our brand new line of Decor Plus by Elfa is gonna be perfect for you. It's modular, it's flexible, it's custom designed specifically for you, and we have some great new features, including soft close drawers, which is gonna be awesome for some of those things in the pantry that you're not wanting to see and you just kind of want tucked away. We'll make sure that there's space for the KitchenAid stand mixer and a little zone for pup to make sure that we have everything there that we need. And we also have this great new integrated lighting, so when you open the door, it's not so dark and shadowed and you'll be able to see everything better. The other great thing is we're able to work within any price range, and so we can totally customize the pantry and then these primary spaces exactly what you need with whatever budget you're working on. Here's the next steps. Here's how this will work. I will create the design for you. We'll review it together. Our installers will come in, they'll demo, they'll install everything for you, and then we'll bring our organizers out. They'll come, they'll make sure that there's a system in place with all of the perfect completion products so that when you're looking in your spaces every day, it's relaxing, it's easy to find everything, and you feel good about what you've got.
Awesome. I'm really excited.
It's installation day, and Tina couldn't be happier. The Container Store team is hard at work installing and organizing Tina's new pantry and closets. The transformation is incredible.
Are you ready to see your new pantry?
Yes, I am, of course.
I can't wait to show you.
Wow.
incredible?
Yes.
All right, well, let me show you some of the fun features we've included. We've got lighting, so it's nice and bright and things won't get lost in the corners. Those drawers we were talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Here's all your tea storage, soft close, super simple.
I love that.
We know that you were a baker, and so we've got
Yes.
your baking up here, all
Yes.
labeled nicely and neatly.
I love those labels.
Makes it easy to grab and go.
It sure does.
We took the mixer and some of the appliances that were on the floor. We got them in a really good reachable position for you, and the ones you don't use often are up top.
That's so great.
And my favorite thing is Roxy's Corner.
Oh, look at that.
Bones, treats, food, all on wheels, easy to take.
I love it. And she's going to love it too.
Yay! Let's go look at your closet.
Okay, let's do it.
What do you think?
It's gorgeous.
Isn't it amazing?
Wow, I can't believe you guys did this. Isn't
Amazing,
that
right? It's my favorite thing about the Decor Plus by Alpha line.
Oh my God.
All of the new integrated lighting creates a boutique inside of your own home. On this back wall, we've got your hats at the top,
Oh, I love that.
your boots. It's a great little kind of get yourself together, grab it and go.
It is.
And then over in the corner over here, we've got all of your jewelry and custom jewelry inserts.
Oh, that's my jewelry.
It is.
I mean, I've seen things in here that I haven't seen in years.
It's amazing when you get it organized how much more you have.
Oh, that is so great.
And right below, we've got pant racks. So simple. Take your pants off. When you're finished, put them back down, tuck it in. We organize all of the things that you don't get to very often with our bins.
Labeled them. I love the labels.
Labeled throughout your closet.
I am thrilled at the way my space has turned out. Working with the Container Store was an absolute dream. Corey was a consummate pro, and Hannah with her organizational skills. I mean, they came in and just did things with my space that I never even dreamed were possible.
Are you looking to organize your space with custom storage designs that fit your family's budget? Visit containerstore.com/custom spaces to take advantage of their free design services and transform any space.
Welcome to another tip in our Frontdoor app Fix It Tip series. We know the Frontdoor app can help with diagnosing and fixing everyday issues around your house. But today, we're going to focus on how the app can also help when you are buying or even selling a home. Now, if you're not familiar with Frontdoor, it's a home repair and maintenance app that allows you to video chat with live experts on demand for home projects, whether big or small. So for today's tip, we're showing how the Frontdoor app is a great resource to have throughout your real estate journey. Here are just a few examples. You can use Frontdoor to get your home ready for the market by fixing repairs prior to listing that could prevent you from getting the best offer. From drywall patches to replacing light fixtures and so much more. Video chat with home repair experts for step-by-step DIY guidance. Frontdoor is helpful for buyers during home tours, walkthroughs, and post-inspection. You can get real-time help from trusted experts across plumbing, electrical, HVAC, appliance, and handy person services. Experts can consult on your home systems and appliances and provide input on how difficult it would be to repair the item or estimated replacement costs. Frontdoor can also be used by new homeowners to help tackle ongoing repair and maintenance needs. Video chat with experts for DIY guidance, advice on renovations, or even open the front door at your local hardware store for help in selecting tools or parts. With personalized and unbiased help from virtual experts, you can get home to-dos done. With Frontdoor, getting your home ready to sell or prepping your new home to move in is easy. You can get home repair help within a few simple taps rather than making all of those endless calls or even scrolling. So to try Frontdoor for free, download the Frontdoor app from the Apple App Store or Google Play, and you can check out their website at frontdoor.com. And remember, you can also find more information at our website and watch this very tip again at designingspaces.tv. So be sure to watch for more Frontdoor apps Fix It tips as our tip series continues right here at Designing Spaces.
Welcome to Hudson, Wisconsin. While water might not be top of mind when you think of a state known for its cheeses, today, that's exactly what's on the menu, H2O.
So in our last home, we did not have a water softener, and we experienced a ton of issues from the hard water. Our glasses weren't as clear, our skin was super itchy. So I'm also a real estate agent, and one of the big selling features of a home is having a water softener. So my friend Alyssa is coming over today to talk about the effects of living in a hard water town.
Here with some hard facts when it comes to water is Alyssa Wellington.
I am the product line director for Diamond Crystal Salt, and we're here today to talk to my friend Sarah about the benefits of having soft water and how to select the appropriate salt for her water softener.
Hey Alyssa!
Hey Sarah, thanks for having me over.
Yeah, come on in. Let's head to the kitchen.
Awesome. I love what you've done with the house. It's gorgeous.
Thank you. Have a seat right there. Do you want some water?
I'd love some.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm so excited to hear about your new water softening system.
Yeah, we absolutely love it.
We live in a hard water area, so tell me why you decided to make this investment.
Yeah, so our old home actually, we didn't have one, and all of our appliances started breaking down after about 4 years. So we knew that when we built our new home, we were definitely going to get a water softening system.
And tell me about some of the benefits you've seen so far.
Okay, so my hair is super soft, my skin's not itchy anymore, and the water tastes so much better.
Absolutely. This water tastes great.
Yeah.
So why don't you show me a couple of the problem areas you had in the past?
Okay, so at our previous home, we had tons of calcium buildup. In fact, we used to have to take a knife and scrape it off. It prevented the water from flowing freely. It was so frustrating.
Those are so tough to clean.
Seriously, so tough. Okay, so in our previous bathroom, we had tons of buildup on our grout as well as our drain cover.
Yeah, those are so frustrating and difficult to clean, and it's incredible to see how pristine it is here.
So this is obviously my laundry room.
Let me guess about some of the problems that you had in here.
Take a shot.
So the towels probably weren't quite as white and bright as these ones are
They
now.
were super dingy.
You probably had some scum in your washing machine.
Yes.
The minerals don't just deposit on your towels or on your clothes, but actually the minerals are depositing along the whole piping system inside the house, including everywhere it touches inside your appliances. So the lifespan of your appliances can be diminished, and certainly the effectiveness of how they clean.
Makes perfect sense. We had the worst trouble with calcium buildup. It was so gross all over our dishwasher. Our dishes, when we pull them out, we had horrible water spots.
Yeah, well, your glasses certainly are crystal clear now. Okay, Sarah, I'm really excited to share with you 3 of our premium purity water softening salts from Diamond Crystal.
Awesome.
The first one we have over here is Bright and Soft. Bright and Soft helps reduce the buildup of scum and calcium around the fixtures, and it really gives you a difference in your water that you can taste and feel on your skin. The second one we have here is Iron Fighter. This is really for homes that have iron in their water. And you know they have iron because they get that red rim of rust in the bathtub or around the sinks. The last one we have is our Solar Natural Crystals. This product is really unique because this is made naturally through sun, wind, and time. Which one do you think would be best for you, Sarah?
As a real estate agent, I have lots of buyers that would love this product and it would be perfect for. This is really, really great. But the one that speaks to me, it's the Bright and Soft. I have white towels. I want them to be brighter. I want softer skin, softer hair. So I'm going with this one.
Not surprised at all. I thought that you would pick this one. Let's go ahead and take it downstairs.
Perfect.
And put it in your softener
Let's
system.
do it. Here she is.
Wonderful. I want to point out some special things about the Diamond Crystal bag.
Okay.
It has 2 handles, so it makes it a lot easier for you to lift and pour into the system, as well as a perforated edge, so you can just go ahead and tear it and pour right in.
I am so excited to try it. So where can I get it?
You can get it at your local retailers like Lowe's and Tractor Supply.
Perfect.
So easy to find. I know you are going to love the improvements you see in your house with Diamond Crystal Salt. And it's specially formulated to keep your water softening system clean and free of buildup. So you'll notice that over time.
Ooh, I cannot wait.
It was so great to see you.
So good to see you. Thanks for coming.
If you're tired of seeing hard water spots after running the dishwasher or have concerns about mineral deposits building up in your pipes and appliances, visit diamondcrystalsalt.com to review their wide variety of water softening products. Or go to our website, designingspaces.tv. information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.